Hi everyone, so I bought this machine a couple of days ago. It's Giantex fully automatic washing machine. I personally I went on YouTube and tried to search for like different videos to help me set it up, but unfortunately it was really hard. So and even going to the store to get all the supplies, all the adapters and everything that I needed was really an intimidating experience for me. So I'll just let you know what I did and what I found and what works. So what we got in the package was the machine is this tube. It connects like so to the machine, and it can turn and spin, and you need to tighten it really tightly, because if you don't, the water will come out from here. So tighten it really tight. So the other end of this tube that comes with the machine is straight, and it's supposed to connect to your tap. But unfortunately, my tap is really different. It's like this. So unfortunately, I can't connect it to the tap. I had to find a way to connect it to my
sink here. So, and as you see, this connector here is way different from this tiny little thing that unscrews on the top. This one, the bolt, and it needs to connect. So that's why you need adapters and different things to connect it.
Okay, so after so much work and effort trying to connect this little guy, it was a failure. This connector here wouldn't stop leaking. So I found a way easier and even cheaper way to fix this. So let me show you. Ta-da! This guy just says dishwasher connector kit, and that's all you need. This guy, useless. Probably just throw it away. So in the connector kit, you have this adapter, connects like so. This guy connects like so. Then you have this long tube, and it has this connector here, ta-da, which will just connect directly into the water supply there. Anyways, I just wish I knew all this, and I hope it's helpful. And also in the kit you have this guy, which I'm not really using for anything. I think it might be yeah, I don't know. It might be just it might be another adapter to something, or maybe another connector to other washing machines. So I don't know what it's for. I'm not gonna use it. Yeah, so let me just connect it and see if it works. Okay, so it's connected down here. Yay, I opened the water supply, and everything seems to be sealed and not leaking, so I'm happy. Now I turned on the power. I have my towels here. I'll do a medium load and just leave everything as it is. I'll do the wash and the spin and dry rinse, and so just press start. And the water coming in. Yay! And I'll just add some more detergent. Yay! It's working! It's working great. Right now it's